Hey, what's up, family? Welcome back to the Idea Factory. You guys already know me. I'm James. I'm the CEO. If you guys are seeing this intro, that means you are about to go into a new program called 5 Minute Theories. What is 5 Minute Theories? It's basically where I take a complex or a complicated issue and I try to break it down to the basics so that you guys will have a better understanding of it. As a teacher, a mentor, and a facilitator for the past 7 years, I found that I was working mostly with students grades 4 through 12 and beyond. But if you take a lot of these concepts and you break them down to a fourth grade level of understanding, everyone gets it the first time through, and the questions make a lot more sense. So, once again, welcome to 5 Minute Theories. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to today's episode of 5 Minute Theories. You guys are going to love this one. I'm going to keep it moving pretty quick so we can try to get as close to the 5 minute timeline as possible. So, today we'll be talking about what is cryptocurrency and how does it work? What are NFTs? How do you make and profit from them? So, I'll break it down really quickly. To understand cryptocurrency, you need to understand money and how value and buying power of money can change. When you take $1.25 out of your pocket, you understand that it's worth $1.25. The value of $1.25 is going to be the same all over America. The buying power is something different. Imagine that you took that $1.25 over to France and you had to convert it to francs or to euros or some other type of European currency. It will be converted at a certain rate depending on what the value of the dollar and the euro are at the moment of conversion. And that value fluctuates with the strength of your country's economy and a few other things. So we'll come back to these coins in just a moment, but it's crucial that you understand that cryptocurrency is very different in some ways and extremely similar in other ways. So in the US for a long time, our money was backed by a natural resource, gold or silver. But since about 1934, our money has not been backed by gold or any other resource, and it can be easily manipulated. This is where cryptos come in. Cryptos are kind of anti-bank in several ways. One, it's digital. Two, it's decentralized. Three, it's anonymous. And four, it's worldwide. There's no brick and mortar bank that you can go into to deposit your check. There's also no government controlled financial institution that's at risk for losing or liable for insuring your money. The money or the coins are stored on various servers online and then they're mined from the cloud. Without going into crazy detail, these coins are usually created by using supercomputers to solve complicated equations on the blockchain. One analogy that I use here to help students understand the blockchain is to think of you going into a bank for a transaction. There's going to be people in front of you and people behind you in line waiting to make their transaction, and you each go in a sequential order. If this were a blockchain bank, then the bank would be tasked with solving a complicated equation. And once it did that, then all the transactions and interactions that had occurred since the last equation was solved, they would all happen instantaneously. So that's as deep as we'll go into how the blockchain works. What you guys want to know is how the various cryptocurrency coins are stored. And I've got an example that anyone can understand. So I've got some coins here. Let's say that they're each representative of a different cryptocurrency. So where do you store money? You put it in a wallet, right? And you do the exact same thing with crypto, except you use special wallets. These wallets require you to authenticate who you are via different methods, but you can normally do it via your phone and your computer together. So you also must keep your account secret, and you never want to lose it since there's no way to prove that that's your wallet since it's all anonymous. There are people out there that had Bitcoin 10 years ago and then they lost their password and now they've got millions of dollars sitting there unclaimed, and it's also inaccessible to everyone else. So these wallets can connect to different servers and allow you to transfer, buy, and sell coins and other items. One analogy for wallets is to think of each of your wallets as a different color, like a red, a blue, a orange, and a purple wallet. Each of the wallets has different rules. Some of them can transfer to each other, others can't transfer to each other. So it's going to depend on where you store your coins, on where you spend your coins is also going to depend on how you store them. So first, let's look at cryptocurrency. I've got a unique analogy for this if you want to kind of expand your thinking on it. First off, each of these coins I've got beneath me is going to represent a specific type of cryptocurrency. It's not a coin, it's a crypto coin. So first, let's take a look here at the penny coin, okay? The penny coin is not very valuable, and most stores will take it, but they would rather not be paid in pennies, okay? Next up, we've got the nickel coin. Right at this moment, the nickel coin is worth about 5 times as much as a penny coin. And even though there are less nickel coins in rotation, as the penny coin gets less and less valuable, maybe this nickel coin will start being worth 6 pennies coins. So I know that sounds odd, but remember, these are individual coins and they don't rely on the cost of each other. So it's more like the stock market or the exchange rate moving up and down between countries. Next up, I'm sorry. Most places will take a nickel coin just like a penny coin, but they would rather not be paid in a nickel coin. Next up, we've got the dime coin, obviously. So the dime coin right now, if you were to go to exchange it, is worth 10 at times as much as a penny coin. But let's say there are only 5,000 dime coins in rotation. That happens with crypto sometimes. Lastly, we've got the quarter coin. And it's worth how much? You guessed it. Let's say right now we can exchange it for 25 penny coins. So I've got all these different crypto coins here. I'm going to take them and mix them up and put them in all my different wallets. My red wallet, my blue wallet, my orange wallet, my purple wallet. Now, when I go to spend these coins, I'll find that certain stores don't take every coin, nor do they connect with every wallet. This would be the equivalent of trying to pay at Target with penny coins from your red wallet. And then Target says, hey, we only take orange and purple wallets and we only take nickel coins. So when I go to spend these coins, I'll find, this is the trouble we actually run into with NFTs when we're thinking about the different type of coins. An NFT is a non-fungible token. What is a non-fungible token? What's an NFT? I don't know. And you don't fully need to know or understand to know how to profit from it either. An NFT is basically a digital piece of artwork that's stored on the OpenSea.io store. It can be a JPEG, like a picture, a PNG or screenshot. It can be an MP3, or it can even be an MP4 video. It can't be a QuickTime or a .mov file. That's for those people using Apple and MacBooks. It can be up to 100 megabytes, and it can contain all kind of data and unlockable content for whoever it is that buys it. It can only be purchased, however, with Ethereum coins or with coins that can be converted to Ethereum coins in an attached wallet. So two of the most popular coins out there are two of the most popular wallets out there are the Coinbase wallet and the MetaMask. So pretty much that's it. That's an NFT. In the future, we expect to see these things kind of explode because there's going to be use in virtual reality, AR, augmented reality, the metaverse, all these different things. The best way to think of it right now is that it's a digital representation of something and it's stored or it's for sale on the OpenSea market. Now, to create an NFT, you'll need a wallet first. I've included my link below, and that has my Coinbase wallet and my Coinbase app. Please use those, and we both can benefit from you joining via my link. After you get your wallet set up, you'll create a user login on the OpenSea.io platform, and then you'll be able to browse other NFTs as well as upload your own. All the links that you guys need are included below, so feel free to just open up those tabs in your other browsers in your phone now, and then you can walk through the steps down there in the pinned comment. Thanks you guys for joining us today on the Idea Factory 5-Minute Theories. You guys can always support us, or if you want to send a donation, you can reach me on Cash App under $317 Repo Man. You guys can also find us online under 317 Idea Factory on Instagram, as well as on Facebook under 317 Drones as well. Thanks, and you guys have a great day. That's all for NFTs, cryptos, and Ether today.